everyone and welcome to my channel. This week we have opened Disney Villains Keyrings and so far no doubles, but if I say that I'm just totally jinxing it as always, but I'm gonna say it anyway. We have no doubles so far and we have gotten awesome ones. I love the Maleficent as dragon, that's my favorite so far. And today I am hoping to get exclusive A or B. So let's hope for one of those. And we have something bulky. Oh, we have Evil Queen. No, I'm sorry, not Evil Queen. We have Queen of Hearts from Alice in the Wonderland. That's awesome. I didn't jinx it, so point for me. Thank you so much for watching this week, and as you may have seen from the thumbnail photo, I have more of these, so tune in when we'll be opening up these again. Thanks for watching. Bye.